Pakistan's thriving cattle farms, a testament to its agricultural prowess. Diverse breeds grace the lands, each with its unique qualities. Modern dairy farms ensure high-quality milk production. Meat production meets the nation's growing food demand. Cattle farming fuels our economy, creating jobs and opportunity. Challenges like disease outbreaks met with innovative solutions. Meet inspiring farmers shaping the industry's future. Pakistan's cattle farming holds promising growth and advancement. Support our farmers, ensuring a prosperous future for Pakistan's cattle farm. Celebrate Pakistan's cattle farming heritage and its contribution to our nation's growth.